In this video, you will learn how to duplicate pixels using the clone command in Adobe Photoshop. I'm your facilitator, CJ Robb. Let's get started. When you want to clone something in Adobe Photoshop, the selection tool you choose is key. You should first understand what you are selecting before trying to duplicate the set of pixels. Look at the example of this toy jacks. If you use the magic wand tool, you may not be able to select the entire outline of the jacks. For example, if you pick inside the jacks, you will only be able to select the white pixels. Alternatively, if you pick on the black outline only, you may not be able to select the entire outline. When one type of selection tool doesn't sufficiently select the pixels you need, then it's time to try a different method. In this case, I can use one of the lasso tools or marquee tool to select the entire outlined area of pixels. Keep trying different selection tools until you have the selection of what you want to clone. Once you see the marching ants around the selected pixels, check to make sure the layer where the pixels are located is the current layer. The next step is to switch to the Move tool. This is the tool that looks like a plus sign on the main toolbar and is located on the top left-hand column. To clone the selection, you will hold down the Option key on a Mac or the Alt key on a PC. Hover over the outlined area of the object, and when the double arrow appears, pick and drag out the cloned set of pixels. The key here is to continue to hold down the Option key if you're on a Mac or the Alt key on a PC the entire time while you duplicate each set of pixels. When you are done with the cloning operation, then you can release the Option or Alt key. Be sure to look at your layer panels to see what has been happening during the cloning process. I'm CJ Robb, and this has been a quick lesson on cloning pixels in Adobe Photoshop. For more video updates, subscribe to CJ Robb Classes on YouTube channel located at Charisse Janelle.